Birdwatching in the Northern Rivers. Capturing nature through the lens. This video of camera images highlights some of the region's rich bird life, while providing tips on how to photograph them respectfully, blending stunning visuals with an educational yet serene tone. Welcome to the Northern Rivers region of New South Wales, a haven for bird life and a paradise for photographers. Here, in the coastal habitats, wetlands, and surrounding bushland and heath, a stunning array of birds can be found. Whether you're a seasoned wildlife photographer or a budding enthusiast, capturing the beauty of these feathered creatures is a rewarding experience. But how do we photograph these birds without disturbing their natural world? First, patience is key. Birds often take their time to appear, so finding a quiet spot with a great vantage point is crucial. Early mornings or late afternoons are the best times, when the birds are most active, and the soft light gives your photos a golden glow. Timing is everything. Birds are elusive, agile, and are quick, and to capture their movements, you'll need fast shutter speeds. Keep your camera steady on a monopod and anticipate their next move. Getting close to your subject is important, but without getting too close. A long lens, like a 400mm or longer, will help you photograph birds from a safe distance, preserving their natural behavior. In the northern rivers, you can find species like white-cheeked honey-eaters, vibrant rainbow bee-eaters, busy and inquisitive lorikeets, and majestic ospreys. With so many species of native and visiting birds in the region, there's always something new to discover. And remember, the goal isn't just to capture the perfect image, it's to connect with nature. In these moments, we become part of the world we are photographing. So, whether you're chasing the perfect shot or simply enjoying the beauty of the Northern Rivers bird life, take your time, respect the wildlife, and let the experience guide your lens. The Northern Rivers, where every moment is worth 1,000 frames.